Hello students, welcome to Elga online class, unit 4 and day 4. In the last class, we learnt what is letter, what is word and what is sentence. Let us make sounds and lot of letters join together and make word and lot of words join together and make sentence. Is that clear? Okay, now go to the class. Look at the slide. Yes. See the slide carefully, students. Letters. Letters, they make sounds. They make sounds. Words, letters come together to make words. Yes. N-A-T. Sorry, N-E-T, net. Hat, H-A-T, hat. Okay. Next sentence. Words come together to make sentence. I have a red hat. I have a red hat. Once again. Letters, they make sounds. Words, letters come together to make words. Red hat. Sentence, words come together to make sentence. Is that clear? Now look at the next slide. Yes, 3-letter words. What did you see in this slide? Rag. Okay? Rag. See the board? What is the word? Rag. What is the beginning sound? Guess it? This is beginning sound. Middle? A. This is middle. End sound? G. So, this is the best way. Use your arm. Okay? This is beginning. This is middle. This is end. Okay? What is the beginning sound? R. Middle sound? A. End sound? G. R. A. G. Rag. What is the word? Rag. Is that clear? Now, see the slide. What is the word? Wag. What is the word? Wag. Okay. Now look at the word. The next word is wag. Okay. What is the beginning sound? Is it? Yes, that is right. Middle. A. End sound? G. End sound? G. Okay. Use your arm. Okay. This is beginning. What is the beginning sound? V. Next. Middle. A. End. G. A. G. Wag. What is the word? Wag. Okay. Now look at the slide. Yes. Today we will learn add word family. What is this? Add word family. Look at the slide carefully, students. See the first one. Rag, tag. Rag, lag. Next one. Bag, nag. Bag, nag. Third one. Tag, sag. Third one. Tag, sag. Last one. Bag, gag. Bag, gag. Once again. Rag, lag. R-A-G. Rag, lag. Next one. Bag. Next. See the second one. Nag. Okay. See the third one. This is tag. That's one. Okay. Tag, sag. Tag, sag. Next one. Bag, gag. Bag, gag. Next, see the sentences, students. Now I read the sentence. Listen carefully. Next, you will find the add word families. Okay. Now I read the first sentence. This is a rat. This is a rat. Second sentence. The dog likes to wag its tail. The dog likes to wag its tail. Okay, wag means மேலும் கீழும் ஆடுறது. Okay, the dog likes to wag its tail. See the third one. Let us play tag. Let us play tag. Fourth one. Did you see the bag? Did you see the bag? Fifth one. My bag has a tag. My bag has a tag. Once again, students, see the sentence. The first sentence, this is a rat. Second one, the dog likes to wag its tail. Third one, let us play tag. Fourth one, did you see the bag? Fifth one, my bag has a tag. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Yes, now go to the next session. What is the next session? Whole words. Okay. See the next slide. These words are already I learned. Yes, these 6 whole words already we learned. The first one, why. First one, why. Second one, give. Second one, give. Third one, love. Third one, love. Fourth one, don't. Fifth one, from. Sixth one, great. Okay, once again, the first word, why. Second word, give. Third word, love. Fourth word, don't. Fifth word, from. Sixth word, great. Is it clear? Now go to the next slide. Yes, this is your activity, students. Please take your worksheet book. Okay. Suppose you don't have it, take a screenshot. Okay. Take a worksheet. Page number 88. Okay. Worksheet 5. Okay. Now look at the board. Students, I hope all are took your worksheet. Okay, page number 88. Read and circle the whole words in the sentences below. Okay, read and circle the whole words in the sentences below. See the first sentence. I eat food after I come from school. Okay. I eat food after I come from school. In this sentence, do you see any word? Any whole words? Yes. From. Yes or no? This is one of the whole word. From. So you can circle. You can circle. Is that clear? Once again read the sentence. I eat food after I come from school. They given sentences and you can read the sentence and circle the whole word, especially the 6 whole words. The first one, why. Second one, love. Third one, great. Fourth one, don't. Fifth one, from. Sixth one, great. You have only circled these 6 whole words only. Is that clear? Now go to the next sentence. B. Give me that box. Give me that box. Do you see any word word in this sentence? Yes, give. So you can circle it. Okay, give me that box. Give me that box. Now go to the C one. Why are you? Why are you shopping so much? Why are you shopping so much? You see any word in this sentence? Yes, why? Why are you shopping so much? Why are you shopping so much? You can circle the word why. It's one of the whole word. Okay, you can circle the whole word why. Is it clear? Now go to the fourth one. Fourth sentence. I love my grandfather. B1. I love my grandfather. I love my grandfather. Okay. Do you see any word, especially the whole words, the 6 whole words? Yes. I love my grandfather. Love is one of the word. You can circle it. Yes, already we learned in the whole word session. Yes or no? Yes. Love. Next one, E1. It is great to see you. It is great to see you. It is great to see you. Do you see any word? Especially the 6 whole words in this sentence? Yes, great. Son, yes, you can circle the whole word great in this sentence. Now go to F. Yeah. Don't sleep here. Here. Okay. Don't sleep here. Do you see any whole words in this sentence? Yes. Don't sleep here. So you can circle the whole word don't in this sentence. Now go to the G1. You go and give this to her. You and go and give this to her. Do you see any whole word in this sentence? You go and give this to her. Do you see any whole word in this sentence? Yes, the word give. So you can circle the whole word give in this sentence. Is that clear? Now go to the next one. Now I erase the board. The next sentence, last sentence. Why do we love to eat? Why do we love to eat? eat. Do you see any whole words in this sentence? Why do we love to eat? In this sentence, have two whole words. Yes or no? Yes, the first one, why. Next is love. So, in this sentence, you have circled two whole words. Why and love. Is that clear? I hope all are understood this session. Okay, now look at the slide. This is your homework, students. Please don't forget. Okay, now go to the next one. Yes, polite words. Yes, already we learnt in the unit 3. Yes or no? Yes. Greetings. What is the meaning greetings? These are polite words. Polite means romba அமைதியா சொல்றது. Polite words. Greetings. We use greetings to wish people. We use greetings to wish people. Okay. Hello. When we meet someone, we say hi or hello. யாராவது உடனே பார்த்துட்டு என்ன சொல்லுவோம்? Hi or hello. When we meet new someone, we say hello or hi. Okay. Good morning. When we say good morning, when we meet someone in the morning, we wish good morning. We wish good morning. Okay, goodbye. When we say goodbye, we leave. At the time we say goodbye. When we leave, at the time we say goodbye. Okay. Good night. Good night. When we say good night, before go to bed, we say good night to our parents. Okay. These are polite words. Once again, greetings. These are used to wish people hello, good morning, goodbye, good night. Okay, hello when we meet new persons. Okay, we say hello or hi. And when we meet someone in the morning, we say good morning. And when we leave someone, we say goodbye. And before go to bed, we say good night. Is that clear? Already we learnt in the third unit. Okay, this is small recap. Yes, magic words. We use magic words to be polite with people. To be polite with people, these words help us to better relationship with people. These words are help us to have better relationship with people. Okay. First one, please. When we ask something for someone, we say please. Please. Okay. When we ask something for someone, okay, we say please. Okay. Sorry. When we make mistake, we say sorry. Okay. Thank you. When somebody helps us, we say thank you. When somebody helps us, we say thank you. Okay. Welcome. When someone say thank to us, we say welcome. Okay. When someone say thank you, we say welcome. Is that clear? Once again, magic words. This is help us to have a better relationship with people. Okay. Please, when something as for someone, we say please. Next, thank you. When somebody helps us, we say thank you. Next, sorry. When we make mistake, we say sorry. And welcome. When someone says thank you, we say welcome. We say welcome. Okay. Now go to the next one. Yes. Now what is the next session? Reading comprehension. Reading comprehension. In the last class, we read the story. What is the title of the story? Why we love trees. Why we love trees. And author name is Komal Ramchandani. Illustration by Hegde Benka. Okay. Now look at the board, students. The title of the story is Be friends with a tree. Be friends with a tree. This is the title of the story. Friends, now I ask one question. Who are characters? The characters are people or animal in the story. Okay. Today we will learn new story. The title of the story is Be Friends with a Tree. Okay. Author Komal Ramchandani. Komal Ramchandani. Illustrations by Hegde Benka. Illustrations by Hegde Benka. Hegde Benka. Okay. The title of the story is Be Friends with a Tree. Author Komal Ramchandani. Illustration by Hegde Benka. Okay, students, the title of the story is Be Friends with a Tree. Author Komal Ramchandani. Illustrations Hegde Benka. Okay. Now look at the slide. Okay. Now I read the story, students. Next we can follow me using with your finger. Is it clear? The title of the story is Be Friends with a Tree. Be friends with a tree. I hope this story falls on tree. Something like that. Yes or no? Yes. Next, written by Komal Ramchandani. Illustrations Hegde Benka. See the first page. What did you see in the first page? That girl hugs the tree. Yes or no? Yes. Next, see the next picture. Sujata has many tree friends. Sujata. So this is one of the character in this story. Be friends with a tree. Okay. Now I read the first page. Sujata has many tree friends. Now go to the next page. Yes. When she wants to swing, she goes to a tree. See the picture? What she is doing? She is doing swing. Swing means what? Unjalad. Okay. When she wants to swing, she goes to a tree. When she wants to swing, suddenly she goes to a tree. See the third page. When she wants to eat fruits. When she wants to eat fruits, she goes to a tree. When she wants to eat fruits, suddenly she goes to a tree. Goes to a tree. Okay, once again see the second page. When she wants to swing, she goes to a tree. Next, when she wants to eat fruits, she goes to a tree. Now go to the fourth page. Now, when she wants to climb, she goes to a tree. Climb means what? மரம் ஏறுதல். மரம் ஏறுதல். She wants to climb, she goes to a tree. When she wants to climb, suddenly she goes to a tree. Next, see the fifth page. When she wants to rest, when she wants to rest, she goes to a tree. Okay, when she wants to rest, suddenly she goes to a tree. When she wants to think, when she wants to think, she goes to a tree. When she wants to think, she goes to a tree. See the seventh page. You can be friends with a tree too. You can be friends with a tree too. Okay, once again see the sixth page. When she wants to think, she goes to a tree. See the seventh page. You can be friends with a tree too. Okay, see the next slide. Okay, these are vocabulary words. Okay, see the words. First word, swing. First one, swing. Now look at the board. For today we will learn 4 vocabulary words from the story Be Friends with Your Tree. Be friends with your tree. The first word, swing. The first word, swing. The second word, climb. Climb. Third word, think. Third word, think. Fourth one, rest. Okay, the first one, swing. Swing means what? Moonjala. Next one, climb. Climb means marayil. Third one, think. Fourth one, rest. Okay, swing, climb, think, rest. Okay, now look at the slide. These are 4 vocabulary words. First one, swing, climb, think, rest. Okay, now go to the next one. One and many. One and many. We also learned in the last class. Okay, we add and yes. We add and yes at the end to name more than one object. We add and yes at the end to name more than one thing. Now look at the board, students. Students, see the board. This is one apple. One. See this? 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we write as 4 apples. Note down this apples. Yes. We add yes at the end to the name, then more than one thing. More than one thing. Add yes at the end to name more than one object. Okay, apple. This is apple. This is apples. One apple, four apples. Is that clear? This is one. Only one apple. This is four apples. So many. So this is many. Okay. We add yes at the end. See this? End of name more than one object. More than one object. Is that clear? Okay. Now look at the slide. See this? How many apples? First one? One apple. Next, see the second column? Four apples. See this? Yes, apples. One apple, four apples. Next, one tree, three trees. One tree, three trees. One boy, two boys. Say, note down this yes at the end. One tree, three trees, one boy, two boys. Okay. Now see the next slide. Axe. One and many. Axe, axes. Axe, axes. Angle, angles. Beer, beers. Beer, beers. Bag, bags. Bag, bags. Car, cars. Cake, cakes. Drum, drums. Dog, dogs. Egg, eggs. Elephant, elephants. Fan, fans. Frog, frogs. Grape, grapes. Goat, goats. Horse, horses. Hat, hats. Insect, insects. Insect, insects. Injection, injections. Injection, injections. Jeep, jeeps. Jeep, jeeps. Jam, jams. Jam, jams. Kite, kites. Kite, kites. King, kings. King, kings. Lemon, lemons. Lemon, lemons. Leg, legs. Leg, legs. Students, this is your homework. Okay, now look at the board. Students, take your worksheet for page number 88. This is your homework. Okay, see the first one. Circle all the words with the end sound you hear. Now I say one end sound. The first one. You can circle the end sound in this words. Okay. Now I say the end sound G. Okay. What is the end sound? G. See the first one. The beginning sound B. Middle sound F. End sound G. This word have end sound G. So we can circle them. Next, see the second word. The beginning sound V. Middle sound F. End sound G. This word have end sound G. So you can circle it. Next, tap. Beginning sound T. Middle sound I. End sound P. This word don't have end sound G. So this is no. Next, fourth one. This beginning sound G. Middle sound I. End sound G. This word have end sound G. So you can circle it. Clear? Okay. In the second row, now I say the N sound. The N sound in. Okay. See the first one, the beginning sound P, middle sound A, N sound in. Yes, this word have N sound in. Okay, circle it. Next, nib, beginning sound N, middle sound E, N sound P. This word don't have N sound in, so no circle it. Next, P, the beginning sound P, middle sound E, N sound in. This word have N sound in, so you can circle it. Next, fourth one, 10, beginning sound T, middle N, in. This word have N sound in. You can circle it. Okay. Now go to the C one. The N sound B. B. Okay. See the first one. The beginning sound K. Middle sound A. N sound P. This word don't have N sound B. So don't circle it. See the second word. The beginning sound T and middle sound A and N sound B. This word have N sound B. So you can circle it. Next, J. The beginning sound J. Middle A. N sound B. This word have N sound B. So you can circle it. Okay. See the fourth one. Pet. The beginning sound B. Middle A. N T. This word don't have N sound B. So you don't circle it. Now D. Now I say the N sound Okay. See the first one. Yeah. The beginning sound yeah. Middle A. N. In. So this word have N sound. So you can circle it. Next, see the second one. The beginning sound yeah. Middle A. N. This word don't have N sound. So don't circle it. See the third one. Sand. Beginning sound middle A. N. So this word have N sound. So you can circle it. Okay. See the last one. But the beginning sound middle N T. This word don't have N sound T. Okay. So you don't circle it. Now I say the N sound. So this word don't have N sound. So don't circle it. Okay. E. Now I say the N sound B. Okay. See the first one. The beginning sound R. Middle A. N. B. This word have N sound B. So you can circle it. Next. Na. Beginning middle A. N. B. This word have N sound B. You can circle it. Next. Deb. Beginning sound D. N sound middle A. N. B. So this one have N sound B. You can circle it. Last one. Con. C-O-N. Beginning K. Middle A. N. In. This word don't have N sound. So don't circle it. Is that clear? Listen carefully. Now we say the one N sound. You can circle the words. Which word have N, that same N sound? You can circle these words. Okay? Is that clear? Okay. Now look at the slide. Okay. Second one. See the second one. Circle all the words with middle sound you hear. Okay. Now I say one middle sound. You can circle these words. Okay. The first A, you have circled the middle sound. A. Can only circle middle sound. A. B1. B1 also A. C1 A. A. Okay. A and B, you have circled the middle sound A. But C1 A. A. Okay. Is that clear? This is your homework. Don't forget. Okay. Students, look at the board. Next we will do circle middle sound. Okay. Now we say the one middle sound. Next you can find it and circle the word. Okay. In the first one A, the middle sound A. Okay. A. See the first word bow. The beginning sound B. Middle A. N. B. This word have middle sound A? No. So don't circle it. See the second one. Ram. Beginning sound R. Middle A. Sorry, A. N. This word have middle sound A. You can circle. Next, see the third one. Cat. Beginning K. Middle A. N. B. This word have middle sound A. Yes, you can circle it. Okay. See the next one. Raw. Beginning R. Middle A. N. B. So this word have middle sound A. No. So don't circle it. B1. Same end sound, middle sound, A. Okay? A. See the first one. Beginning, middle, A. N, B. This word have middle sound A. Yes. A, B. So you can circle it. Next. Cat. Beginning, K. Middle, A. N, N. This word have middle sound A. Yes. So you can circle it. Next. Match. Beginning middle A. N. T. This word have middle sound A. No, don't circle it. Sad. Beginning middle A. N. G. This word have middle sound A. Yes, you can circle it. In the same one, in sound A. Okay. See the first one. Pen. This word pen. Beginning P. Middle A. N. In. This word have middle sound A. Yes, you can circle it. Pen. Beginning middle A. end. This word has middle sound a. Yes. Okay. Submit. Next. Corn. Beginning k, middle a, end in. This word has middle sound a. No. So don't submit. Set. Last word. Set. Beginning s, middle a, end to. This word have middle sound F. Yes. So you can circle this word. Is that clear? This is your homework. Suppose you don't have worksheet, take a screenshot and next you can do this. Okay? Students, today class in the phonics session we learnt and word families and whole words. We have many activities, and in the reading comprehension session we read the story, be friends with a tree, and learnt for vocabulary words and have worksheet also. I hope all are understood this class. If you have any doubt, you can send message to me. Thank you, students. Thank you, students. Take care.